guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I take off my makeup when it comes to clear skin. If you're looking to achieve, healthy skin, should I say, you want to make sure that you take off your makeup properly. You don't want to have any leftover makeup residue on your skin, because obviously it can lead to clogged pores, which can develop into acne or like just skin texture. So I want to just give you guys a few tips that I use to make sure my skin is completely free from makeup or like sunscreen or even like skincare that I've applied in the morning under my makeup. So if you guys are interested, keep watching, and yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it now. So the first thing that I use, guys, is micellar water. You want to get yourself any branded micellar water. I know the Garnier one is very good as well. The Neutrogena one is also very good. I use this Boots one, and then I use these cotton pads. You want to get any cotton pads. So what I do is I apply the micellar water onto the cotton pad like so. You don't want to spill it all over yourself like I've just done, right? So then what you want to do is you want to just pull gently across like so. Just pull gently across like so, and that is literally one cotton pad, you guys. When I tell you that micellar water is so good, this is the difference between one swab literally from this side to this side. And bear in mind, I use like very heavy concealer and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead now and do the other side and show you guys how to do that. Right, so I've taken both sides of makeup off now, and this is how my skin is looking. So I've used 2 cotton pads for this whole entire process, one for this side and one for the other side, and this is how it's looking. So yeah, the biggest tip I can tell you guys is to get some micellar water, but obviously it doesn't end here. What I'm gonna do now is rinse my face. I'm gonna go in with this CeraVe cleanser and rinse my face. So this is how I do it. Right, guys, so I've just come back from rinsing my face. So like I said, I use this CeraVe smoothing cleanser. This is it right here, guys. If you are someone that wears makeup, I recommend getting a cleanser that has like salicylic acid in it, because that is an exfoliant. That is something that will unclog your pores. Right, so the next thing I do is I go in with some niacinamide. So all of this is part of my skincare routine for when I'm like as you guys can see, it's still bright outside, but I don't want to wear makeup anymore. I've just like finished what I was doing. So I wouldn't say that this is my nighttime skincare routine. This is just the routine that I use when I've just come back home and I just want to take my makeup off. If you guys want to see my nighttime routine, is linked in my bio. So yeah, I'm just saying that so I don't get people confused, because obviously there's other steps that I do when I'm about to go to bed and stuff. Yeah, so So then I go in with a moisturizer as my last step. So I go in with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel based cream. So I've been trying this moisturizer out. So in a few weeks time I'm gonna review it for you guys, but so far I have been loving it. I've been using it for like 2 weeks now, and yeah, I've been loving it. Right guys, that's it. That's all I do to take my makeup off. I continue my day just as normal, and then at night time I wash my face again and start my nighttime skincare routine. So this is a routine that's like specifically for when I'm wearing makeup and I'm just taking it off, if that makes sense. And if you are interested in seeing my nighttime skincare routine, I'm gonna have it linked in the description, and it's also on my channel. I think it's my previous video or it's on my channel, guys. That's what I'm trying to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any questions, please let me know. I will answer all of them. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.